Times Influence Initiative.
Dynamic, innovative, versatile, luxurious, and now even eco-friendly. The Indian auto industry has evolved many folds over the years and has brought forth some of the most incredible vehicles on the Indian roads. Honoring the auto giants year after year, the Autocar Awards have carved a niche for themselves in the last 17 years of existence. Now in its 17th year, the awards have consistently seen a comprehensive screening approach by an esteemed jury. In the last episode, we met the dealers, manufacturers and some of the most innovative bikes and cars taking home the top auto awards in India. In this episode, we reveal the winners of the ultimate honors at the Autocar Awards 2018.
We'd now like to invite on stage Mr. M.K. Anand, MD and CEO Times Network, to say a few words.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pride and privilege to welcome all of you to the 17th edition of Autocar Awards and the third year that Times Network is presenting the same. It's my industry, the M&E space, media and entertainment, which is usually called showbiz or dream factory. But I think the auto industry also qualifies for the same, as you are the ones who enable people to show off. You fulfill people's dreams, because new cars and bikes don't just take people from place to place, they also elevate people from their existing state to their so-called dream state. I think the similarity to media industry doesn't end here. The impact of technology, and specifically digital, has been very deep in my space, in the media space, over the last 20 years. In fact, when I joined the Times Group back in the 90s, there was no Google, there was no Facebook. While a lot of big players, like the Times Group, Disney, etc. have survived, we've also had to accommodate new media entrants globally and in India, like Google, Facebook, and the like. Similarly, auto industry, I think, is beginning to see that impact. While you have always been innovating with developments in the intrinsic automobile technology, the impact of digital, impact of optimization technologies, impact of ride-sharing, AI, etc., are going to completely morph your industry the way our industry has been over the last 2 decades. And as you evolve, compete, and adapt over the years, Autocar Awards and Times Network will continue to recognize the excellence and welcome you to such events in the years to come. I wish to thank all of you for your presence. Wish to thank our partners, Reliance General Insurance, Mobil, and Apollo Tyres. I must also thank Hormazd and his wonderful team, with whom it's a delight to work with. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Now, we'd like to invite our esteemed chief guest, the Honorable Union Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, Mr. Anand Geete, to say a few words. Please, sir.
वैसे भारी उद्योग मंत्री होने के नाते मेरा सीधा संबंध इस ऑटो जगत से है, ऑटो इंडस्ट्री से है, बल्कि देश के ऑटो इंडस्ट्री के गार्डियन मिनिस्ट्री के रूप में मेरी मिनिस्ट्री काम करती है। और जब गार्डियन के रूप में ये जिम्मेवारी मुझ पर है, तो मुझे गार्डियन की वो हर जिम्मेदारी को निभाना है जिससे इंडस्ट्री को कोई संकट ना आए और इंडस्ट्री हमेशा आगे बढ़ती रहे। वैसे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो मेक इन इंडिया का नारा दिया है, इस मेक इन इंडिया के नारे को सफल बनाने वाली पूरे भारतवर्ष में एक ही इंडस्ट्री है, अब वो है ऑटो इंडस्ट्री। तो मेरे लिए ये गौरव की बात है कि जिस इंडस्ट्री को मैं रिप्रेजेंट करता हूँ, जिस इंडस्ट्री का नेतृत्व मैं करता हूँ, उस इंडस्ट्री ने प्रधानमंत्री जी के मेक इन इंडिया के सपने को साकार करने के लिए अहम भूमिका निभाई है। वैसे पूरे विश्व में यदि सबसे बड़ा बाजार ऑटो सेक्टर के लिए यदि कोई है तो वो भारत है, और इसी के कारण विश्व के सारे कार निर्माता अपने कारों का निर्माण भारत में कर रहे हैं। और सरकार के नाते ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि जो कार के निर्माता है उनको सहयोग करना और यही सहयोग करते हुए इंडस्ट्री को बढ़ावा देना। जो बदलाव जिसका भविष्य में हमें स्वीकार करना है, पूरा विश्व इलेक्ट्रिक मोबिलिटी की ओर आगे बढ़ रहा है, तो मैं यही कहूँगा, यही चाहूँगा कि ये जो आने वाला बदलाव, इस बदलाव के मानसिकता को हमें स्वीकार करने की आवश्यकता है और इस मानसिकता को स्वीकार करते हुए अपने इंडस्ट्री को बाधा न पहुंचाते हुए हमें इस मानसिकता को स्वीकार करना है और भविष्य में हमें इलेक्ट्रिक मोबिलिटी की ओर आगे बढ़ना है। जो इंडस्ट्री आज चल रही है, जो वाहन आप निर्माण कर रहे हैं, चाहे 2 व्हीलर हो, 3 व्हीलर हो, 4 व्हीलर हो, ट्रक्स हो, बसेस हो, जिन वाहनों का आप निर्माण कर रहे हैं, इंडस्ट्री को बाधा पहुंचाए, समय के साथ साथ फेज मैनर में इलेक्ट्रिक मोबिलिटी की ओर हम आगे बढ़ना चाहेंगे और इसीलिए इस इलेक्ट्रिक मोबिलिटी को संकट मानने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं, ये विश्वास मैं आपको दिलाना चाहूँगा और इंडस्ट्री को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए जो भी सहयोग आवश्यक है वो मैं करना चाहूँगा। आपने छोटे से छोटे ग्राहक से लेकर लग्जरी व्हीकल तक, 2 व्हीलर से लेकर 4 व्हीलर तक सभी को यहाँ पर सम्मान दिया है और आने वाले समय में ये सम्मान और आगे बढ़ाने की आवश्यकता है और इसीलिए ऑटोकार 2018 अवार्ड्स का जो आयोजन किया है उन आयोजकों को धन्यवाद देता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
On the other side, we reveal the winners of the Car and the Bike of the Year at the Autocar Awards 2018.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Technology and Innovation Award of the Year. And the nominees are...
The nominees for Technology and Innovation Award of the Year are BMW 5 Series, Land Rover Discovery, Skoda Kodiaq, Volvo XC60.
Technology and Innovation Award goes to BMW 5 Series.
On a bike that can break speed limits at the drop of a hat, the sensation of speed is multiplied by 99, and that's a buzz that's really hard to match. There were plenty such motorcycles this year, each as explosive as the rest.
Nominees for Performance Bike of the Year are Ducati Monster 797, Ducati Supersport S, Honda CBR 650F, Kawasaki Z650, Kawasaki Z900, Kawasaki ZX10RR, KTM 390 Duke, MV Agusta Brutale 800, Suzuki GSX-R 1000, Suzuki GSX-R 1000R, Triumph Street Triple S, Triumph Street Triple RS, TVS Apache RR 310.
Performance Bike of the Year, Trim Street Triple RS.
Moving on, the next category is the one we had the most fun evaluating. These are the cars that are aimed at the enthusiast. There's nothing about logic. They give you the sort of fizz that no other cars can. Get behind the wheel of one of these, you're sure to want to take one of them home. This is the award for Performance Car of the Year. The nominees for Performance Car of the Year are Audi S5, Mercedes AMG GLC 43 Coupe, Porsche 718 Boxster.
Performance Car of the Year, Audi S5.
compact sedan is a far cry from its roots, and the one that has evolved the most is the Autocar India Compact Sedan of the Year.
The nominees for Compact Sedan of the Year are Maruti Suzuki Dzire, Hyundai Accent, Tata Tigor.
Compact Sedan of the Year prize goes to Maruti Suzuki Dzire.
But let's be honest, what's better than a compact sedan? A full-size sedan, of course, no compromises to meet regulations, just enjoying the three-box car as it was meant to be. The sedan still signifies luxury and refinement, and for those who haven't been swept away by the SUV tide, this is the Sedan of the Year award. Nominees for Sedan of the Year are Audi A5 Sportback, BMW 5 Series, Hyundai Verna, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, Volkswagen Passat.
Sedan of the Year goes to Hyundai Verna.
Ladies and gentlemen, this award is for the Compact SUV of the Year.
Nominees for Compact SUV of the Year are Ford EcoSport, Honda WRV, Tata Nexon.
Compact SUV of the Year goes to Ford EcoSport.
While compact SUV space develops rapidly, the bigger, more posh SUVs are also getting better at their game too. The bar has definitely been raised, and they're now all about soft touch materials, fantastic interiors, and to go along with their imposing appearance. They're deserving then of competing for the Premium SUV of the Year. The nominees for Premium SUV of the Year are Jeep Compass, Renault Captur, Skoda Kodiaq, Tata Hexa, Volkswagen Tiguan.
Premium SUV of the Year goes to Jeep Compass.
As the SUV evolves, it also becomes bigger, more luxurious than it has ever been before. They've started to replace luxury limos in a lot of cases, and for good reason. Some of the SUVs on sale today are built to spoil you silly. I mean, I could live in them, Renuka. And the one that does it the best is our luxury SUV of the year.
The nominees for Luxury SUV of the Year are Land Rover Discovery, Volvo XC60, Volvo V90 Cross Country.
Luxury SUV of the Year goes to Volvo XC60.
This is the heart of the matter, the soul of the car. It's very often the element that you're most likely to fall in love with. This is the part I love best. This is the engine of the year. The nominees for engine of the year are Ford 1.5-litre Dragon, Maruti Suzuki 1-litre Booster Jet, Tata 1.2-litre Turbo Revertron, Tata 1.5-litre Revotalk.
Engine of the year goes to Ford 1.5 liters Dragon.
Now we move on to a special category. And this is really awesome. This one is the Autocar Professional Man of the Year. Autocar Professional's Man of the Year award is for that captain of the industry, either a vehicle manufacturer or a component supplier who stands out for his achievements during the year.
Man of the year goes to Kenchi Ayukwa, Maruti Suzuki India Limited.
Now, while we've been focusing on products all evening, now is the time to acknowledge those who put the efforts in navigating their way around challenges that came their way last year, and there were quite a few of them. This is for the Manufacturer of the Year. The nominees for Manufacturer of the Year are Hyundai Motor India Limited, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, Mercedes-Benz India Private Limited.
Manufacturer of the year goes to Maruti Suzuki India Limited.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the big ones. Hold your horses. First up, we have the award all two-wheeler manufacturers hope to bag. Our penultimate award for the evening, the Bike of the Year.
The nominees for Bike of the Year are Avantura Pravega, Avantura Rudra, Bajaj Dominar 400, Bajaj Pulsar NS 160, Bajaj V12, DSK Benelli 302R, Harley Davidson Street Rod, Hero Glamour FI, KTM 390 Duke, Suzuki Intruder, TVS Apache RR 310, Yamaha Phaser 25, Yamaha FZ 25, KTM 250 Duke.
Bike of the year goes to TVS Apache RR 310.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, you can do better than that. Put your hands together for the Bike of the Year.
That's the beauty. The Bike of the Year, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together.
Well, now it's the moment you all have been waiting for. The biggest prize in the Indian automotive space, and the one that captivated the audience and made the biggest statement of the year as far as the automotive industry is concerned. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Car of the Year. The nominees for Car of the Year are Audi A5 Cabriolet, Audi A5 Sportback, BMW 5 Series, Force Gurkha, Ford EcoSport, Honda WRV, Hyundai Verna, Hyundai Accent, Isuzu MUX, Jeep Compass, Land Rover Discovery, Maruti Suzuki Dzire, Maruti Suzuki Ignis, Maruti Suzuki S-Cross, Mercedes AMG GLC 43 Coupe, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, Mini Clubman, Porsche 718 Boxster, Renault Captur, Škoda Kodiaq, Škoda Octavia, Tata Hexa, Tata Nexon, Tata Tigor, Volkswagen Passat, Volkswagen Tiguan, Volvo V90 Cross Country, Volvo XC60.
Car of the year goes to Jeep Compass.
The curtains came down on the Autocar Awards 2018 with a promise to be back next year to celebrate and honor the heroes that rule the Indian roads.
Mobil Lubricants congratulates the winners who have put in years of hard work to win the 2018 Autocar Awards. Awards like these provide a platform where national as well as international OEMs come together to celebrate the successes.
A Times Influence Initiative.